Have you ever wondered what it takes to unlock your full potential? What if we told you the key lies in mastering the skills that shape our world? Welcome to Education Bench, where learning meets opportunity. Whether you're a student aiming for top grades, a professional looking to level up, or a lifelong learner hungry for knowledge, we've got you covered. Our mission? To make education simple, accessible, and impactful. With engaging tutorials, insightful lessons, and expert tips, we turn complex concepts into clear, actionable knowledge. Subscribe now to Education Bench, where your future starts today. Let's turn learning into your most powerful tool. Imagine you're a detective trying to solve a mystery. But instead of clues and fingerprints, your case files are filled with numbers and financial statements. That's essentially what an accountant does. Accounting is the language of business. It's how we communicate financial information, from the smallest personal budget to the largest corporate balance sheet. Let's start with a common scenario: personal finance. Have you ever tried to figure out where your money goes? That's where accounting comes in. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings so you can make informed decisions about your finances. Now imagine these businesses. Each one needs to know how it's doing financially. Is it making a profit or a loss? How much money does it owe? How much is it worth? Accounting provides the answers. The fundamental equation of accounting is assets equals liabilities plus equity. This equation is the foundation of everything we do in accounting. Assets are what a business owns, like cash, inventory, and equipment. Liabilities are what a business owes, like loans and bills. Equity is the owner's stake in the business. So, I've been looking at the income statement, and I'm concerned about the cost of goods sold. Accountants use financial statements like income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements to analyze a business's financial health. These statements provide a snapshot of a company's financial position at a particular point in time, as well as its performance over a period. If you're interested in a career in accounting, there are many certifications you can pursue. Some popular options include the ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, and the CA, Chartered Accountant. These certifications can open doors to exciting opportunities in accounting, finance, and business. Accounting is a global language, understood and used in businesses around the world. Whether you're working in a small town or a multinational corporation, accounting skills are valuable. There are many different roles within the accounting field. Auditors ensure that financial statements are accurate and comply with regulations. Financial analysts use accounting data to make investment decisions. Tax accountants help individuals and businesses comply with tax laws. By understanding accounting, you're not just learning a set of rules and regulations. You're also developing critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a strong foundation for a successful career. Accounting isn't just about the theoretical concepts. It's a practical skill that can be applied in countless situations. From personal finance to business management, accounting knowledge can help you make informed decisions and achieve your goals. Remember the accounting equation? Assets equals liabilities plus equity. This simple formula is the foundation of everything we do in accounting. By understanding this equation and how it works, you'll have a solid grasp of the fundamentals of accounting. So whether you're a student considering a career in accounting, a business owner trying to manage your finances, or simply someone who wants to understand the world of business better, accounting is a valuable skill to have. By understanding accounting principles and staying up to date with the latest trends, you can position yourself for a successful and rewarding career. Subscribe to Education Bench for more tips, lessons, and insights to keep your mind sharp and your goals within reach. Join our community of learners, and let's build a brighter future together. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell for updates, and stay on the path to success. Because at Education Bench, we believe that education never stops.